What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I use margin investing, actually one of the strategies that I use in regards to margin investing to make money in the stock market. So what you can see right now is my portfolio. Even though I'm currently down $8,000, I still made $200 today using margin investing. Listen, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notification so you don't miss a thing. On this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. Okay, so we're in my portfolio right now, as you guys can see, and it's valued at $250,000. I'm currently down $7,000, almost $8,000, just call it $8,000. Today's date is June the 21st, and I was able to use margin investing and make $200 in one day. Okay, so just to show you guys the date again at the very bottom of the computer, June 21st. And so we're in my account right now, which overall I'm still down, by the way. If I click on all, I'll show you guys here. So all time on Robinhood, way back here since 2016, which I stopped and I didn't do anything until 2020. I have invested $260,000 in my Robinhood portfolio. Now, right here where you see my buying power, it says 91,000. I'm actually using margin investing, so it's not $91,000 that I actually have in there, just to give you guys a little snapshot. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to use margin investing to make a $200 profit trading a particular stock. And so the more you kind of dabble with the stock market, the more you learn and kind of watch and see what's going on in regards to a particular stock, and you kind of learn when you can take some money off the table, take a little profit. Okay, so we're going to show you guys here with Dividend Energy. So today, Dividend Energy right now is trading for $48.94. It's currently after hours right now in the stock market, but I want to show you how I was able to use margin investing and purchase a little position with this, make a little profit, and get up out of there. Now, how margin investing works is you are borrowing money based on what you have in your brokerage account. So if you have, for example, let's use myself. I have invested $260,000. I currently have, for margin, I currently have $334,000 available to me in regards to margin investing. So you borrow the money from the brokerage and they charge you interest. Robinhood is currently charging 7.75% at the making of this particular video. So if you borrowed $1,000, you would be paying $7.75 interest for the entire year. Okay, that's the entire year. Now, if you borrowed $100,000, you would be paying $7,775 of interest for the entire year. So you could do $7,775 divided by 12, and that would be the money that you should be paying monthly back in interest to Robinhood, okay, in order to use the margin investing. Now, of course, if you don't pay the interest, they just tack it on to the amount of money that you're using for margin. So if you don't pay it monthly, once again, they're just going to tack that on and say that you're using more in regards to margin investing. Okay, so we're looking at Dividend Energy right here, which initially I invested in this stock because they have a nice dividend payment, and I was interested in getting started. However, I just missed the dividend, the ex-dividend cutoff, which was on June 14th. So the next one is going to be in September because Dividend Energy pays dividends quarterly. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys where I was able to use margin investing, and I'll show you exactly what I did. So as you can see here, you see June 20th, and you can see right here it has 200 shares at $48.23. Keep in mind, at the top of the screen right now is trading for $48.94. Okay, now you can see here, once again, that's $9,645.74 that I borrowed in regards to margin investing. And then 2 hours ago, which is June the 24th, if I click on it, you'll see here June 24th, right? You can see that I sold 200 shares at $49.25. So just quick math here, I sold $49.25. When I bought, it was $48.23. So it went up $1.02. Now you guys can see real quickly here on your screen, you see 9,645.74, and then right above you see 9,850.32. Now if I do the math on that, just to kind of show you guys, I have a screen recording on my iPhone here. I'll show you guys how this works. So if we do the math on 9,850, 32 minus 9,645, 74, that is $204.58. $204.58. Now, in order to borrow, when I use my margin investing, which was the 9,645, so let's do 9,645.74, and we're going to multiply that times 7.75%, which is what Robinhood is charging currently to use margin investing. So I'll hit equal $747.54 for the entire year. So I'm going to divide that by 12, and then now we're at $62.29. That's if I was using this $9,645 for the entire year. It would cost me $62 a month. Now, of course, I'm going to divide the 62 by 30 days. So let's say 30 days in the month. You can see here it's $2.07. $2.07. So in this scenario that you guys are looking at on the screen, I borrowed $9,645.74, and it cost me $2.07 in regard to the interest that I would be paying Robinhood, because it was only for a day. Okay, so you can see that. So $2.07. Once again, I made a difference of, I think it was 205 or 204.58. Let's do the math again. 9,850, 32 minus 9,645.74, $204.58, and we're going to minus $2.07. So I made a profit of $202.51 in one day. Okay, which is pretty exciting. Now, I'm not trying to hype it up. Okay, the thing about when it comes to margin investing or any kind of investing in the stock market, the fact that you're using your own money is going to make this more real for you. You can do all the paper trading that you want. You can practice here and there. Nothing matters as much as when you're using your own money. So once again, we're looking at my portfolio on the screen. I'm currently down $7,869. I just wanted to show you guys one way that you can use margin investing to make money in the stock market. There are a lot of ways, but in this video, I just want to show you this one move that I made with Dividend Energy. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.